Here are some great examples of how to use signs and labels at your wedding. Beverages. You should definitely label your beverages if you don't want people to just pour them and then not drink them. What a waste! Every guest should know what their options are when it comes to getting a beverage. Some guests may have allergies to beverages or certain foods, so this label is definitely going to help them out. Be sure that the label is clear to read. I've gone to several weddings and events where people have not taken the time out to just label the food. And when that happens, people are standing around asking, so what is this? What is that? They have no idea, and it takes up more time. Not only that, they may get something that they don't like, and once again, it gets thrown in the trash. What a waste! It's also a good idea to have your welcome sign very visible to your wedding guest, as well as the guest sign-in book or any other things that they may need to enter into your event, like maybe they have to show their invitation here or grab a glass of water. These will be the very first signs that they will see upon entering to your gorgeous wedding. And it's your opportunity to set the tone for the day. This sweet wedding also had one of those really cool decor type pieces for everyone to sign as well, so they can display it in their home after the wedding. What a blessing, and what a great idea. Check it out. This is something new that I had never seen before. It's a guest anniversary card. So depending on the number table that you are sitting at, say that you're at table number 2, you would write a blessing or some form of advice to the wedding couple for that second year of marriage. Oh my gosh, I just love it. All of these items were found at the welcome area itself. By far, one of the best signs that you could have at a wedding for your wedding guest, and that is seeing a thank you card as soon as you sit down at the reception. Typically, the guests aren't given a thank you card until after the wedding, but wow, what a beautiful touch this is. I know, there's mixed reviews when it comes to a seating chart, and not every wedding couple would like one. But if you do have a seating chart, make sure that it's very visible, that all your guests can see it really, really well as soon as they walk into the reception, so that there's no confusion on where they should be sitting. Especially if you have family that you'd like to sit in a certain area. Look at it! It's one of the sweetest little no-shoe sign I've ever seen. Ever! Oh yes, you must have a sign for everyone to grab their wedding bubbles! Early in the video, we also saw that they had the wedding gifts for everyone coming out were placed at the welcome table in the front. You don't know who I am.
I'm gonna agree.